Good morning, everybody. It's Big Rich here from Ohio Fish Rescue, and this is our day. Today we're going to have rescues, all kinds of things. We got people coming over, so I'm going to stick in there. I'm going to start my day out at 7:30 right now. The nurse will get here at 8, where I can leave and go to Home Depot and get some things done before the people show up here. So right now I'm here taking care of Tracy. I got to refill her water bottle here. I got to get her breakfast and her pills set up, and then I've got to get her set up and repositioned and changed so I can feed her breakfast. So stick with us. It's gonna be a busy day.
All right, so you know you have your favorite host here. Sorry, Dad.
I'll grab the rim of the net and go.
Let me do this. I got the arapaima neck. These chicken breasts will help.
Are you done yet? Okay, guys, I got the chains and the hooks to hang the canopy on the back. I've got the shower handles to fix the shower in the basement, which we've already fixed, but the handles come up missing. I think somebody threw them away. And I got the spray paint to help paint the wood. So I'm on my way home now, and it is almost 9 o'clock, and I'll wake everybody up when I get home. And I'm going to have to skip my morning sleep. I usually sleep for 2 to 3 hours in the mornings. I'm going to have to skip that because we have to leave for this rescue at 10. So stick with us. All right, 10 a.m. and we are on the road. Look at the evil fish. He's ready to go. We're going. We got Reap driving. We got Jerry and Hoover in the back. And we are on our way. We got 3 stops. 2 by Akron and 1 in Hubbard, Ohio. So I'm going to go ahead and video 1, and Reaper's going to video the other 2 for the behind the scenes. We're going to make a day of this and get back by 4. I swear, Mara, my nurse leaves at 4. She's worried that we won't be back in time. Yes, we will. All right, we're here at Terry's house. How you doing, Terry? Nice to meet you. I'm Big Rich.
Nice to meet you.
This is Reaper here.
Just be easy on the end. I got stitches in them.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
All right. So here's the first 55 gallon. It's got 3 plecos. It's got African cichlids, silver dollars.
Okay.
Somewhere in here there's loaches.
You don't find them until you empty it out.
They're either in this castle,
Right.
in the skull, or buried under the gravel. Right.
Okay.
And the biggest one I saw was probably about 4 or 5 inches big.
Gotcha. Alrighty. This is the next one. Okay, and that's another 55. And you said
algae eaters are in it.
ooh, I love them.
2 goldfish and an albino rainbow shark.
Okay.
The white goldfish is 3 years old.
Already?
And it will get bigger than that. The gold one is about 4 months old.
Do you know who you're talking to?
The setup for here, I have the canister filter pumping out into here. Drains out. Another submersible.
More homemade DIY filtration. I like it.
Comes over here. Nuisance snails in there. Water is crystal clear. No water changes for almost a year.
Wow. Nice.
36
And this one?
It's empty.
Okay.
I had all kinds of stuff in there and they just started dying off. Don't ever use play sand for medium in the bottom. You kill them.
No.
These are convict cichlids. They're like massive breeders. They will
That's what they do, yep.
They will breed thousands. We can't get rid of them. They just keep coming back, We drain the tank. If you don't clean the gravel, you'll keep them. This one's got 3 Oscars. They're about 9 months old. The biggest one's about 11 inches long.
Oh.
There's also Chinese algae eaters in here. And there's a pleco in there as well.
Alrighty. Well, let's get our game plan together here and get our pumps and hoses.
Now, you guys are from the Ohio Fish Rescue?
Yeah. Oh, I missed an opportunity there. I should have been like, what's the Ohio Fish Rescue? Messed with you.
That wanted the 36 gallon, but he was supposed to be here by noon or 8 o'clock, and he never got a hold of me.
Alrighty, we got the 90-gallon emptied and all the fish out, and they're out in tubs in the car. We have the 29 empty and the fish out, ready to be carried out. We are emptying this 55-gallon now, and working on getting all the rest of the pieces parts out. And it will be ready to go. We got one more tank upstairs, and that's the one we got to be most careful with because we got new wood flooring down. So no water on the wood flooring. Oh, no, we got to unbolt this.
Yeah.
Hey, Terry, let's have you doing this.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Hoove, if you
There's
want
a
to take that
drain.
bucket out. And
Drain
in the
down
bigger
there.
tubs, you can dump that bucket out with the fish in it. On like one side of the tub. Are you hearing me?
I'm listening.
Okay. Dump it out.
It's tight.
Splash me in the eye. Take it at the speed you want.
It ain't speed, it's the length of my legs and how short my arms are.
Gotcha. Okay, hold up. We don't want to.
You gotta put it down. No, because there's no way it's gonna spin right here.
Oh, careful. Just slowly go around. Let me get up the step. Okay. Hard part's over with.
You got somebody on the floor. Trying to watch what I'm doing.
Hold the backside of the fan down. Okay, I got it. Hi.
Now, why don't get it backing up? I like to see where I'm going.
That way. Okay, a little step there.
Right across the yard.
Yep. Just set it on the railing. Right on the railing.
Now, do you guys have like
All right, last tank going out.
No, this is all an addition to my house. When we built on an addition, and then a couple years later we built on another addition to our addition. Then we turned my pool into a predator pond and transformed it into a aquascape ecosystem pond. Well, you can swim in the pond and have fish alive in there. And now we're getting ready for our third addition.
Right behind you.
Right off the side there. And then bring it up on this thing here. We're going to try and scoot it down into that little niche right there. Right here. Yeah. Surprise. And if you look in the trailer, there's this room on the other side too. That's it. No, it's not going down there. Is that more room over here? No, right there. So we can stand it up and put it there. Okay, let's do that. Stab the shit out of me.
Family friendly there.
It got me right in the center of my nipple and stabbed me, and I walked into it.
Say your name was Nipple.
Oh, that almost had me yelling out.
In other words, that was family friendly.
Right, you heard the family friendly side of it. Is it on there?
Need some styrofoam to go up against that bowl front.
Yes, sir. Drop the styrofoam in between and strap it to the feet. Should be okay then.
All right.
Here we go. Hold on a second. Ouch. Okay, Terry. What a job that was.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Oh, I'm sorry, you stitches. I was going to squeeze your hand again. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for helping out. And there will be a lot of people. If you watch our show on Ohio Fish Rescue, we put out a video every morning. You'll see, and you know, you'll see what tanks we use and what tanks we give out to people that really need them. You know, people that are like yourself that have gotten out of the hobby and donated their whole fish room. They call me, I want to donate them whatever we have laying around to start the hobby back up, you know? Same thing if you call me back later, we can do the same thing. I don't advertise on like Craigslist, here, free tanks, you know, because there'd be everybody grabbing them and trying to resell them, you know?
Yep.
So I help out the fish community, you know? So you're doing, by donating it to us, you're helping out the fish community, you know, greatly. So I'll tell everybody where they come from, and, you know, this video will go out tomorrow morning, and we're gonna make you a star. Oh,
We got it. We ready?
we're packed. We're done. Look at you sporting the Ohio Fish Rescue shirt.
Well,
Nice.
I'm on the job, man.
All right, buddy. Very nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
Anything you need, you call us.
I will.
Okay, guys, we're loaded up and we're on our way home. But the problem is we're an hour away from home, and the GPS, you know, says we're an hour away from home, but it's 2:59. So we've got 1 minute to spare to be there on time for Mara to leave on time. So we're going to be doing a little speeding on the way home and doing what we can so we're not late for Mara.
Really? I can speed?
Yes.
All right.
Or maybe instead of you just speeding, we can let Hoover drive because he don't stop for no cops. Okay, so we've got them all acclimated and inside here. Different tanks here. Well, they really stirred up the bottom and mess in here. A bunch down here. And then, of course, Josh has got some in the big tubs on the end. Some down here. We have, I think that's a pleco right there. I can't see. And there's some over there. So we got them all in here, acclimated and ready to go. Oh, look what the dog got into. We can't be getting into medicine, son. Josh must have left that sitting out. Bad boy. So definitely can't be getting into medicine. That's bad. But anyways, we're done today's video. I hope you liked it, and hit that like button. It really helps us out. And we'll see you on the next video. So stay fishy, my friends.